Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Yes, we are back again with another Halloween themed art and craft for kids. It's going to be a simple set of activities, but it's more of fun too. It's one of Arav's favorite, so please do check to it. If you have missed our other Halloween themed worksheets and activities, please do check the card above, or I'll be sharing the link to my videos in the description box below. Do check to it and share in your love and support. So come, let's get into the video. So our first activity is Halloween themed embroidery or stitching activity. So this is one of Aru's favorite activity and you would love to do it any time of the day. So here I have given him a cloth with Halloween themed pattern on it. So what he needs to do is he just needs to stitch over the pattern. In case if you are working with younger kids or kids who are not comfortable using pointed needles, you can very well use the plastic needles which are available in stationery shops. We tried once with toothpicks, but we felt it was difficult to come out of the cloth. So plastic needles works better. In our case, Arav is exposed to it from his early stage, so now he is very much comfortable using the pointed needles or the needles that we adults use. This is one of the best fine motor activity because it really helps them to follow a sequence or a pattern, and it also helps with self-correction because when they are working on a pattern, they themselves know they are just slipping out of it. So it will help them to move forward and correct it and then work on it. Though adults prompts are required on and off, but moving forward you can really see a good change in how they are correcting themselves. So do give it a try and I'm sure your little ones will enjoy it too. Adult supervision is must for this activity. Our next activity is Halloween themed painting using salt. Yes, there is science behind this activity on how the salt absorbs the watercolor and spread it around. But this time we didn't get into the details. We just add only fun. So what he needs to do is he just needs to apply the glue around the pattern, and once that's done, sprinkle generous amount of salt all around so that the salt sticks to the glue. Once that's done, just remove the extra salts by just tapping it over the empty bowl. After this, apply the watercolor. Make sure to dilute the watercolor very thin so that it gets spread very beautifully. I hope you all will try this fun art with your little ones as well. If you do so, then don't miss to capture the cute moments and share it on our Insta handle or in my mailbox. We would love to see the same. And if you're new to our channel or yet to subscribe, then please do take a moment to share in your love and support. If you really love this video, then don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. So take care and have a cheerful day.